So this quick tip video shows you how, if you're an eStream customer, you can incorporate eStream videos directly into Teams. So one way is to post it as a message in the conversation on a channel. So to do this, you can go to the new conversation button, and you're looking along the bottom here where you've got all the little apps, and if you click on the little three dots, you can pick eStream, Planet eStream, there it is, and add it in. Now when you add it in, you'll have to go through a set of instructions in order to grant permissions. You will need to enter the URL of your Planet eStream site, which is normally your school, the name of your school. You then need to be prompted to log in, and here you just log in with your normal Microsoft account. Now you should only have to do that process once for each team. Once you set it up in a team like that, then you should be able to just use it over and over again. So it's a little bit annoying to start with, but once you've done it, you've done it. Okay? And once you're in, you can search your media library, you can search the TV and radio archive. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to add this program here. I can add chapters. If there's chapters created, I can add an interactive quiz if that's been created. So here I'm going to add this program, add the teams. There we go. So I can add that straight into Teams, and as usual I can tag the channel and post about it. Okay, and then from the student perspective, here it is. Here's the video. They can click view and it should launch it directly. They'll need to probably click permissions and agree, but then they should be able to launch that Planet eStream video directly within Teams. So like I said, once you've done that once, it's very straightforward because you've now got a little Planet eStream button at the bottom of your messages here, and when you click that, it will take you straight on. Okay, no need to log in again. Now, it's also worth saying that you can embed eStream videos directly into OneNote pages as well. How do you do that? Well, you go to eStream on your browser and you go to the share option and you choose embedding. And you'll see that on the embedding options there is a OneNote link, and you copy that link and then you just paste that straight into OneNote.